Hello children, welcome back. Children, this is maths activity. We have to trace coins using crayons. Okay children, so for that you need a paper over here, a few coins and then crayons. Okay, so what you have to do here, take a coin, okay, then place it below the paper, okay, and then simply trace it. Like this. Okay, then you can take another side also. This way children. Okay, then let us take one more coin. Instead of now 10 rupees coin, we will just use a 5 rupees. Okay, then trace it. This way, you can see that this is a 5 rupees coin. Then let's take 2 rupees coin children. Here you can see that this is a light color crayon, so you better take dark color crayons. Okay, then let's take 1 rupee. Okay children, so here you can see that 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, 2 rupees and 1 rupees coin. So children, this way you have to trace the coins. Okay, and then let us solve a worksheet. Hello children, welcome back. Children, this is money lesson worksheet number 7. Now let us begin. Our first question is, find the total cost, then circle the money needed. Now children, here we have to find out the total cost, means plus. Okay, so here the ice cream is of rupees 18 cone, and this another is of 25, and it's total, so we are going to do plus. So children, plus is 8 plus 5, so after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So the answer is 43 rupees. So how much money is needed to buy these two ice creams? 43 rupees. Now children, here you can see that there is a 20 rupees note, one more 20 rupees note, and then 4 1 rupee coins are given. So children, tell me, how will you make rupees 43? We don't have a 43 rupees note or a coin. Okay, or we don't have 40 rupees note also. So what we are going to do, we are going to take 220 rupees. 20 plus 20 is 40. Okay, so after 40 we need more 3 coins, that is 1, 2 and 3 rupees. Okay, so here for 20 plus 20 is 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 43. So here we have made a 43 rupees. Okay. Now, Reena bought a book and a pencil for rupees 45. If the cost of book is rupees 31, how much did the pencil cost? Now children, here what we have to do, 45 rupees a book and a pencil. The price of book and a pencil is rupees, total 45 rupees. Okay. And the cost of book is 31. So we have to find out the cost of a pencil. So what we are going to do? Minus. It's already given here minus, children. So which is a bigger number? 45. So that will come up 31. Now children, again we will start from ones place. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And 4 minus 3 is 1. This is simple subtraction, children. So what is the cost of a pencil? So how will you write here, children? The cost of the pencil is rupees 14. Okay. Then Zahida bought a football and a shuttle for rupees 52. How much did the shuttle cost? Now we have to find out the price of your shuttlecock. Okay. So here again 42, children, of shuttle for rupees 52. So 52 is bigger. So that will come up minus 42. Subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the cost of a shuttle? The cost of the shuttle is rupees 10. Okay, children. So this way we have to solve and then write down the answer. Now children, this is table of 8 and 9. We have already done tables till 7. Okay. And I hope children you are learning the tables. So here let me recite the table once. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 80, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Children, learn the tables. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. 8 sevens are. How much is 8 sevens are? 56. 8 threes are 24. 8 nines are 72. 9 fours are 36. 8 eights are 64. 9 tens are 90. 9 eights are 72. 8 twos are 16. And 9 nines are 81. Children, you better learn the tables first and then try to write down the answers. Okay. Now this is the activity. Trace 5 coins by keeping the coins below the box given and rub gently on the coin with the help of a crayon to trace it. Children, I have already shown you this activity in the video. So you try it and trace the coins over here with crayons. Okay. So these are the answers, children. Solve and then cross check your answers with it. Here you can see that, children, I have traced a 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees and another type of a 2 rupees coin. Okay. So you can do this activity and this much for today, children. Learn the tables but okay. And we'll meet tomorrow new video. Till then, goodbye.